Hello, Mrs. Denning here again. I have your new word ring or vocabulary list for the week. It has to do with your story on migration that you'll be reading in Journeys. So go ahead and get started with that first word. Spreading. I was spreading my peanut butter on my bread to make my sandwich. Balancing. I tried balancing 3 books on my head. Disappears. I hope the stain will disappear from my new jacket when Mom washes it. Excitement. I was filled with excitement on my birthday. Slithers. The snake slithers across the grass. Migrate. Monarch butterflies migrate all the way to Mexico from the East Coast. Amazing, right? Solid. The frozen ground was solid. Survival. Some birds travel to the south during the cold winter months to ensure their survival. Chilly. Today it's chilly outside. Plenty. We have plenty of pencils in our classroom. Landscape. So landscape is the land that you see around you. So I could use it in a sentence like, the landscape I see is very hilly. Or outside my door, the landscape is beautiful green with all the rain we've had. Frightening. It was a frightening experience when the spider landed on my hand. Thunderous. When the herd of cattle ran, they made a thunderous noise. Accidents. It's good to be careful so you don't get into lots of accidents. Dramatic. The boy was dramatic as he told his story. Well, that's the end of our words for this week. I hope you're doing them every day. This is my friend Macy. I woke her up for a nap, so she's not real happy. But I wanted her to say hello. Well, Macy, can you say hello to the children? All right. We will let you go. You guys have a good rest of your day. And till next time.